So good morning, everyone. We are here to discuss about Chapter 1, which is Introduction to Survey and Statistics. But before that, let's check about the major learning objectives of this chapter. So we are done in understand the basic workflow of conducting a survey. Now let's proceed to the learning objective number 2, which is to understand the difference between doing census and sample survey. But before that, let us define first what is census. So census is the process of collecting data about everyone and everything in a population. It is also the collection of data from every member of a population. So if a member of a population is present in the sample, then the study is called a census.
So next, what is sample survey? Sample. Sample is a selection of data from a larger group of data. Survey is a method of gathering information using relevant questions from a sample of people with the aim of understanding the population as a whole. So next is the sample survey. Sample survey is one that is conducted using a sample process, which means that only a subset of the population is surveyed rather than the whole population. Like example, kanang population sa whole germ is you. So if ato siyang kasatagsaon o kaning survey, kanang excuse me. So, if ato siya basta tagsaon og survey, so mas kuan siya time consuming, then gastos po siya like so ang atong process ani atong way para madali ang atong survey like mamili lang ta o kaning mag-random selecting lang ta of each department like tag lima sa CAS, lima sa maritime, and lima sa education. So, una siya ang sample survey.
So when data is to be collected from each member of the population, it is known as a census survey. So as you can see here in this diagram, so we have here the target population. So mao niya nga to ang target population dinhi. So if mukuha tag sample, so kanina ang sample is either 4 or 5 imong paod. So muna na siya gitawag na sample. Kay if buhat magutag census, time consuming kaayo siya. So for example, sa isa ka ang naatay kuan kana maghatag data sa 3,000 ka tawo. So dili na to matag sa tagsa ang dili na to makaya og census ang 3,000 ka tawo sa isa or duha ka adlaw. So para mas mapadali siya, magkuan na magkuan na lang ka conduct na lang ka og sample survey, which is makuha na lang ka og tawo or sample nga random ra. So when data is to be collected only from some members of the population, it is known as a sample survey. So now let's proceed. Let's visualize the situation with the following diagram. So this left oval represents the population of the study. So kani daw, kani nga oval, kani dere, mao na siya mag-represent sa population sa study nga among i-discuss karon. So it includes every employee in this company. So there should be 3,000 employees in the company. Each of them will give a score according to his or her satisfactory level towards the company. So imagine all score must range from 0 to 10 means totally unsatisfied, while 10 means satisfied siya. So when doing census, data would be collected from every employee. So 3,000 data dapat makulit if magbuhat ka census. So once the data collection is completed, if makumpleto nimo tong 3,000 og interview, kuha og data, we try to understand the current situation by doing some data analysis. So for example, pwede na ka mag-calculate of mean, pwede na ka mag-calculate of standard deviation sa score nga ilang gihatag. So you can imagine that the mean satisfactory score equals to 9.5 or 2.5 represent very different situation.
However, sometimes it is not practical to conduct census due to some limitations. For example, limited time and budget. So, kuan daw, if mag-conduct ka ng census, kanang dili siya practical kay kuan siya kanang sa kanang time consuming kay siya kay tagsaon man gud nato siya og kanang survey kay census example whole kanang population imo siyang isa-isa og survey, so mas mutaas yun ang imong time, ang imuhang adlaw nga conduct para ana. So if tagaan lang kag 5 ka adlaw, so not enough gyud nga imong i-survey ang 3,000 ka tawo. So ang kuan ani, ang other nga solution para madali ang survey, so kuan na dayon, kato na dayon yung sample survey. Survey will conducted. So next, so a sample would be selected based on a fair or random procedure as far as possible, and then data will be collected and analyzed, which is represented by the right oval. So para fair po daw kuno ang pag-conduct sa survey, kan dapat randomly picking na ta mamili sa population sa mga tao para po fair po.
So after doing survey, we would also analyze the data in order to draw conclusion about the current situation. So however, as the data collection is incomplete, we need to be very careful when we try to make the conclusion. So the reliability of the conclusion you made from the sample survey very much depends on how good is your sample as a representative of the population.
A key concepts in statistics. So a population is the totality of elements, also called items and objects. Like example, kaning population of the germi, if the whole germisius, so muna siya ang object. So under consideration, So investigation based on the data of the whole population is called a census. So, iba whole germisio ang ato ang i-survey. So, tagsaon nato na siya og kuha og kaning sample, so muna siya ang census. So sometimes it is too expensive or impossible to obtain data on every object of the population. In the case, we conduct survey by selecting some objects of the population for analysis in order to derive the characteristics of the whole population. So kay if tagsaon na to og kaning kuha og kanang sample survey, mas taas man, time consuming man siya. So mo na lang mag-conduct na lang ta og survey, which is kanang randomly selecting lang ta sa mga tawo ug kinsa ra ato ang i-survey. So a sample is a portion of the populations that is selected for analysis. So sample is a portion of the population.
So we have here a problem number 3 and number 4. So we have a set of problem to be analyzed and to be answered. So question number 3. In an annual dinner, every employee receives an identity number in the reception counter based on the arrival time. There are 600 employees. The identity numbers are 001 to 600. There are 20 prizes prepared. So question 3A. Suppose the 20 prizes will be presented to 20 employees by using systematic sampling method. If the identity number of the first winner is 028, what are the identity numbers of the next 4 winners? So the first thing to do in this problem is to identify what method are we going to use to answer a certain problem. So we have here using systematic sampling method. And always remember that we have the first winner, which is ang iyang identity number is 0 to 8. So all we have to do is to find the next 4 winners. Pangitaon na to ang upat ka identity numbers. So this is the function. The systematic sampling selects the first object, letter A, or the variable A, randomly, and the rest by a fixed interval, which is K. So K is equal to population size over sample size. So, unsa man nga to ang population size? So, we have 600. So, 600 over sample size, 20. So, ang answer ana is, so 600 over 20 is equal to 30. So now, ang question dito is, what is the next four identity numbers? So, here are the four identity numbers. So, naatay 058. So, sunod sa 028, naatay 058, 088, 118, o 148. So, giyon sa pagbuha ng 058. Now, always remember na naanatay fixed interval, which is ang letter ang K. Diba? So, naatay 30. So, all we have to do is mag-add lang ta hantod sa maabot ta sa ikaupat nga identity numbers. So, this is the solution. So we have 028. Diba kani 028. So, muna yung akong first winner. So, represent na to na sa variable na A. So, ang gain na to is 30. So, giyon sa pagkuha ang 058. So, A plus K. So, A is 28. 028 plus K plus 30. So, yung answer is 058. Tapos, ang sa 088 na po, A, which is ato ang A is 028 plus 2 times 30. Kaya itong, ang ato, ikaduha naman tan magkuha, di ba? Ikaduha na ka-identity number atong paon. So, 2 times 30, which is K na to. And so on. So, paano na siya? Yun sa na siya pagkuha, 028 plus 30 is equal to 058. Dayon, 028 na po, kaya siya ang first winner plus 2 times 30. So, 2 times 30. So, 2 times 30 is 60 plus 028, and so on.
So, question number 3, letter B. Suppose that 20 prizes will be presented to 20 employees by using simple random sampling method. The random selection will start from row 1, column 1 of the following random number table. So, what are the identity numbers of the first 5 winners? So, before that, the method that we use in this question is the simple random sampling method. So, ganina, systematic sampling method man to. So, karon na pod, kay simple random sampling method na pod tong gamiton. So, in order to answer this one, you need to identify kung sa yatag sa question number 3. So, di ba ang yatag diri nga question kay there are 600 employees lang, di ba? So, to answer this one, magsugod ta og iyong una-unaon gyud og pila ka digit ang iyang unang gihatag. So, di ba na may 3 digit only raman ang iyang gihatag. So, magsugod ta og 001 to 600. So, the random selection will start from row 1. So, row 1, which is kani, to column 1 so of the following table. So what are the identity numbers of the first 5 winners? So pangitaon na to ang 5 ka first 5 winners. So in order to answer this one, you need to check if the first 3 numbers. So the first 3 number is the kaning 618. So unsa man ni siya? Sulod ni siya sa sa range sulod ni siya sa katong 001 to 600 or dili? So, dili. Kaya ang 618, di ba, lapas man siya. So, crush out na to ni siya. So, next is the 704. Kani siya, unsa man ni siya, sulod or dili? So, dili. Kay lapas na kayo ang 704 sa 600. Kay ang iyong una-unaon, max na gyud dapat ang 600. Dili na gyud mo lapas tiya. So, next. So, 165. So, o kani, sulod ni siya ang 165. Kay, muna siya ang atong first winner. So, nanatay isa ka first winner sa 165. Kay, nagsugod ba taog 1 to 600. So, kani. So, the next is the 707. No. The 968, dili. 086. So, kani siya, ang saman? Yes or no? So, yes. Pasok siya sa panga. Chika.
Pasok
So,
siya sa range.
pasok siya sa range nga atong ipangita sa question number 3. Next is the 129. Yes. Pasok. So, nanatay tulo. Pangitaon na lang nato ang last two. So, the 808, no. The 397, unsa man? Pasok, dili. So, pasok. Okay, 397. Sa 349, sulod, dili. So, sulod. So, naanatay, 5 ka winners. So, muna ni siya ang 5 ka winners. So, i-check na to if check ba itong gigama in the next page. So, these are the correct answers. So, select the 3-digit number, discard number out of range or duplicated. So, meaning, as a duplicated, example, ang 618, if duplicated na siya daan, if parehas lang nabalik, usa na sila, i-crush na mo siya, sakto na tong isa. So, muna na siya, di ba? Or na-crush na to ni sila. So, muna siya so the first winner is the 165. So, nadire. So, next, the 086. Ato nang i-crush yung duwa, kaya isulod. Then the 129 and the 397 and 349. So, muna ang the first 5 winners.
So we have here the question number 4. So John wants to conduct a survey for a company with 200 employees. So he will interview a total of 50 employees. So naa siya 200 ka employees. Ang iyaharang kailangan is 50 ra ka employees iyahang i-interview. So the following table shows the number of employees in a different departments in atay accounting, marketing, and sa sales. So as you can see, kanina so dara accounting, marketing, and sales. So as you can see, naatay table sa male, naaputay table sa female. So the question is, to avoid unbalanced selection between different departments, how many employees from the accounting, marketing, and sales department should he interview? So always remember na kailangan rin niya of total of 50 employees iyang gusto ma-interview niya. 200 sila kapuo. So the solution will be kani siya. Kaya ang solution. So, sa accounting na department, so 50, di ba? Kailangan siya makuha o 50. Out sa 200, kailangan niya 50. So, 50 times total sa iyahang male o female. So, na dito'y 10 sa male, 10 po sa female. So, 20 over 200. Kaya 200 mo sila tanan. So, naara siya 5 nga i-interview gikan sa accounting na department. So now, sa kuan pod, marketing department, so same process. So 60 siya kay gi-add dito 30 ang male, 30 pod ang female. So 60 divided by 200 equals 15. So 15 ra pod katawo ang iyang i-interview nga gikan sa marketing department. Next, sa sales department. So same same procedure. So 120 i-add gihapon nimo ang female of male di adto over 200, so is equal to 30. So 30 ka puo nga 30 ka puo employee yang i-interview gikan sa sales department. Napa?
Individual samples are drawn randomly from the 3 departments and then will be put together for analysis. So what is the name of his sampling method? So the sampling method that the question number 4 use are the stratified random sampling method. So next, I know. The stratified sampling method. So in question letter B, there are 2,500 employees in an accounting firm. The senior management wants to randomly select 200 employees to check their professional qualification. If simple random sampling method is used, write down the identity number of the first 4 employees. So kung itaon na to ang upat ka first
for employee nga yung ipangita. So, in order to identify this one, you need to check how many digit nga iyang gihatag. So, as you can see, kuan naay upat diri. So, magsugod ta. So, upat ang ato ang i-crash out dinhi atong gamiton. So, magsugod tag 001 up to ang max niya kay 2500. So, let's proceed. So, in first four digit, the 3569, so sulod siya or dili? So, di ba, dili kay mas dako siya, mas taas siya kaysa ni 25. Okay, so the next one is the 4502. So, sulod dili. So, dili gyapon, kay dako may gyapon siya. The 0785, sulod dili. So, yes, sulod siya. Okay, gasugod man tag 001. So, next, the 9606, sulod dili. So, di ba dili? So, sa 2318, sulod dili. So, yes, sulod siya kay 2,318 man siya. So, wala siya nalapas kung 25. Okay? So, nanatay duha ka kuan. Kanang gipangita niya. Duha na lang ang kulang. So, next is the 25796. Sulod or dili? So, dili, di ba? Kay, lapas naman siya og 79. So, crash na to na siya. The next is the 6510. Sulod, dili. So, dili yapon siya sulod. And 1847. Sulod, dili. So, sulod. So, isa na lang. 82. So, dili ni siya sulod. Crash na to na siya. So, last is the 1497. So, kani, mo na siya ang last one ni atong ginapangita. So, always remember, Jud, ha, nga i-check yun na to ang unsa ang gihatag ng given number sa question. So, if, pwede po, if 5, so 5 po ang imong gina-crush. So, as you can see, di ba sakto nga to ang gina-crush out kanina. So, di ba 4 digits? So, select 4 digits number man. So, di ba upat sakto upat ang atong disregard nga wala dili sulod. So, discard number out of range or duplicated. So, i-discard na to if dili siya sulod. So, mo ni ang unang gi-crush out. So, first employee, second, third, and fourth. So, these are the 4 employees that need to be selected. Okay, muna siya ang sulod ra sa 001 up to 2500.
Thank you, and I hope you've learned something. So this is your reporter, Joanne Villasada.
And Batulan and Margaret Rubio.
Bye.
Okay.